Hi, it's me. And today we are heading towards former Fort Factory. We thought there will be nothing to see around the Bukit Timah, Bukit Batok, Bukit Gombak area. Well, but you're wrong. Okay, let's head up to the exhibition area first. National Archives of Singapore. This will be a staff room. Rest area. Looks like I've entered the garden area of the former Fort Factory. The disused railway signal was originally located along Jurong Road and acquired by the National Archives of Singapore in 2010. The signal serves as a reminder of former Fort Factory's link with the nearby Bukit Timah railway line in transporting goods and resources for the assembly of motor vehicles. Banana, sugarcane, oil palm, tapioca, recently trimmed, sweet potato, looks like the papaya tree is still being grown. Lalang, I'm pretty sure this is not an edible crop. Okay, and coconut. Looks like the coconut tree had enough time to grow. Right, this is the exhibition room. 1941 Ford. Reception. Guided tours in English 11 AM and 3:30 PM Saturdays and Sundays. War never changes. Map of the world according to Japan. On 15 February 1942, in this very room, then the Ford Motor Factory's boardroom, Lieutenant General Arthur E. Percival, the British General Officer commanding, surrendered to the Lieutenant General Tomoyuki Yamashita. It was a humiliating surrender of about 130,000 British and Commonwealth troops to 60,000 Japanese troops. And that will be one of the reasons why the former Ford factory is being preserved as a heritage and exhibition building. Nipponization.
No, but I feel like it'd be very hard to find archives. That's the one picture we saw yesterday.
Okay, so this part, no flash photography and videography, so I'll be skipping this area.
Okay, sure. Okay, open for occupation. The Japanese go into
Well, you might be accurate to think that this place would experience no real human footfall, but I guess I'm mistaken as well. Well, since it's a heritage building, it's bound to have heritage tours. Just that probably it'll be a better idea to visit on a weekday if you are averse of the crowd, or visit during the weekends if you want to see what kind of crowds this former Ford factory will attract. Interesting. What does this sculpture represent? As you can see from this here yellow bamboo, the place has been around for a very long time. And this is it, the former Ford factory, what remains of it, now a place for history and heritage. And that's it for what I would like to show you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the notification button to be informed of future content. And if you would like to visit this place on your own, do it after 28th of February, where Hume MRT station downtown line opens. Okay, I hope you found this video to be satisfactory. Factory, get it?